Looking for your next vacation destination in Cabo San Lucas? Let me tell you about Hotel Posada Real, a property that has been catching the attention of travelers seeking authentic Mexican hospitality combined with modern comfort. This hotel sits in one of the most vibrant areas of Cabo, and whether you are planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just need to escape the daily grind, this place offers something worth considering. The property has been serving guests for years, building a reputation that goes beyond just providing a place to sleep. What makes it interesting is how it balances traditional Mexican charm with the amenities that modern travelers expect. The location alone puts you within easy reach of everything Cabo San Lucas has to offer, from the famous marina to the stunning beaches that make this region a bucket list destination for so many people. Throughout this review, we will walk through everything you need to know about staying here, from the rooms to the restaurants, the pools to the activities, and all the little details that can make or break a vacation. So if you have been thinking about Cabo for your next trip, stick around because Hotel Posada Real might just be the place you have been looking for. Let's talk about the rooms at Hotel Posada Real, because honestly, where you lay your head at night matters more than people sometimes realize. The hotel offers a variety of accommodation options designed to suit different types of travelers and budgets. Starting with the standard rooms, these spaces are thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort without unnecessary frills. You will find comfortable beds with quality linens, air conditioning that actually works, which is crucial in the Cabo heat, and private bathrooms with all the essentials. The standard rooms typically feature either one king bed or two double beds, making them suitable for couples or small families. What guests appreciate is that even the entry-level rooms do not feel cramped or cheaply furnished. Moving up the accommodation ladder, the hotel offers superior rooms that add extra space and often come with better views. These rooms might overlook the pool area or offer glimpses of the surrounding neighborhood, giving you something pleasant to wake up to each morning. The furniture is practical and comfortable, with seating areas where you can actually relax with a book or plan your day. Each room comes equipped with a flat-screen television, though let's be honest, you probably did not come to Cabo to watch TV. There is complimentary Wi-Fi throughout the property, which works reasonably well in the rooms, though like many hotels in resort areas, the connection can slow down during peak usage times. The rooms also include a safe for your valuables, which is always a smart feature to use, especially when you are out exploring all day. Minibars are available in most room categories, stocked with a selection of beverages and snacks at typical hotel prices. Some rooms feature small balconies or terraces, which are perfect for enjoying your morning coffee while watching the town wake up. The bathrooms deserve a mention too, as they are clean and functional with good water pressure in the showers, something that can be hit or miss in some Mexican hotels. You will find basic toiletries provided, though if you are particular about your products, bringing your own is never a bad idea. Housekeeping comes through daily, and most guests report that the staff does a thorough job keeping everything fresh and tidy. For families or groups traveling together, the hotel offers suite options that provide significantly more space. These suites typically include a separate living area, which gives everyone a bit more breathing room and makes the accommodation feel less like just a hotel room and more like a temporary home. Some suites come with kitchenettes, equipped with a small refrigerator, microwave, and basic cookware, which can be a real money saver if you want to prepare simple meals or snacks rather than eating out for every single meal. The suite bathrooms are often larger as well, sometimes featuring bathtubs in addition to showers. What really makes the rooms work is their cleanliness and maintenance. While the decor might not win any cutting-edge design awards, everything is well kept and functional. The beds are genuinely comfortable, which matters more than fancy throw pillows. The air conditioning units are effective and reasonably quiet, allowing you to sleep comfortably even on the hottest nights. Blackout curtains in most rooms help you sleep in if that is your vacation style, or they keep the room cool during the afternoon heat. One thing to note is that rooms closer to the pool or common areas might experience more noise, especially during peak season when the property is full. If you are a light sleeper, requesting a room on a higher floor or away from the main activity areas might be worth considering when you check in. The hotel has made efforts to update rooms over time, so some may feel fresher than others depending on when they were last renovated. Overall, the accommodations at Hotel Posada Real deliver solid value. They provide a clean, comfortable, and functional space to recharge between your Cabo adventures without breaking the bank. Now let's move on to one of the most important parts of any hotel stay, the food and drink options. Hotel Posada Real features dining facilities that aim to satisfy guests throughout the day without requiring you to leave the property for every meal, though Cabo San Lucas has fantastic restaurants nearby if you want to explore. The main restaurant at the property serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a menu that leans heavily toward Mexican cuisine while also offering international options for those who prefer familiar flavors. Breakfast is typically served buffet style, which is always a crowd pleaser because everyone can find something they enjoy. You will find fresh fruit, which in Mexico is absolutely spectacular, with papaya, pineapple, watermelon, and other tropical options that taste like sunshine. The hot food section usually includes scrambled eggs, bacon, sausages, and beans, along with made-to-order omelets or eggs cooked to your preference. There are also pastries, breads, and cereals for lighter eaters. The coffee is decent, though serious coffee enthusiasts might want to seek out a local cafe for that perfect cup. Fresh juices are available and they are genuinely fresh, not from concentrate, which makes a difference. For lunch, the restaurant shifts to a la carte service with a menu featuring salads, sandwiches, burgers, and traditional Mexican dishes like tacos, quesadillas, and enchiladas. The portions are generous and the prices are reasonable for hotel dining, though still higher than you would pay at a local taqueria in town. The quality of the food is consistently good, with fresh ingredients and flavors that satisfy without being extraordinary. This is solid, enjoyable food that fuels your vacation without being the highlight of your trip. Dinner service continues with an expanded menu that includes seafood options, which makes sense given Cabo's coastal location. You might find grilled fish, shrimp dishes, and occasionally lobster specials. The kitchen also prepares chicken, beef, and pork dishes with various preparations and sauces. Vegetarian options are available, though the selection might be somewhat limited compared to what vegetarians are used to in larger cities. The restaurant atmosphere is casual and relaxed with both indoor and outdoor seating options. Eating outside in the evening can be particularly pleasant when the temperature drops and you can enjoy the warm Mexican night air. Service in the restaurant is generally friendly and attentive, though during busy meal times, especially breakfast when everyone descends at once, there can be some delays. The staff works hard to keep up, and a little patience goes a long way. Beyond the main restaurant, the hotel features a bar area where guests can enjoy cocktails, beer, wine, and non-alcoholic beverages throughout the day and into the evening. The bar serves all the classic cocktails you would expect, and the margaritas are a popular choice, as they should be in Mexico. The bartenders are skilled and happy to make recommendations if you are not sure what you are in the mood for. Beer selection includes both Mexican brands and some international options. Prices at the bar are what you would expect for a hotel, not cheap but not outrageously expensive either. The bar area often becomes a social hub in the evening where guests gather to share stories about their day's adventures, plan the next day's activities, or just unwind with a drink and good conversation. Some evenings feature live music or entertainment, which adds to the atmosphere without being so loud that you cannot talk. The poolside service is another nice touch, allowing you to order drinks and light snacks without leaving your lounge chair. This convenience factor should not be underestimated when you are in full relaxation mode, and the last thing you want to do is get up and walk somewhere. The poolside menu is limited compared to the main restaurant but covers the basics like nachos, guacamole, chips, sandwiches, and burgers. Overall, the dining and bar options at Hotel Posada Real provide good variety and quality for a property in this category. You will not go hungry and you will enjoy most of what you eat, even if you are not going to be raving about it as the best meal of your life. The pool area at Hotel Posada Real is where many guests spend a significant portion of their vacation time, and for good reason. The property features a main swimming pool that serves as the social and recreational centerpiece of the hotel. This is not an Olympic-sized pool, but it is large enough to actually swim laps if you are so inclined, though most guests use it for leisurely floating, cooling off, and socializing. The pool depth varies with a shallow end that is safe for children and a deeper section for adults who want to actually submerge. The water is kept clean and properly chlorinated, with regular maintenance ensuring it stays inviting throughout your stay. Surrounding the pool, you will find a deck area furnished with lounge chairs, and during peak season, these can fill up fairly quickly, especially the ones with the best sun exposure or shade depending on what you prefer. The hotel provides towels for pool use, which saves you from using your room towels and having damp towels in your room all week. There are umbrellas and some palapas providing shade for those who want to avoid direct sun exposure during the intense midday heat. The pool area has a definite vacation vibe, with music playing at a reasonable volume and a mix of guests from different countries and backgrounds all enjoying their time off. Families with children, couples, solo travelers, and groups of friends all coexist peacefully in this shared space. The pool bar, which we mentioned earlier, sits conveniently adjacent to the pool, making it easy to order a cold beer or tropical cocktail without having to leave the area. Some guests practically set up camp for the day, rotating between the pool, their lounge chair, the bar, and maybe a trip to their room to freshen up. It is the classic resort vacation experience. For those interested in the beach, Cabo San Lucas offers some stunning coastal areas, though it is important to understand that not all beaches in Cabo are swimmable due to strong currents and undertow. Hotel Posada Real is located near several beach options, with the famous Medano Beach being one of the most accessible and popular. Medano Beach is one of the few truly swimmable beaches in the Cabo area, with calmer waters that are safer for swimming and water activities. The hotel can provide information about reaching the beach, which is typically a short taxi ride or a pleasant walk depending on your exact location and energy level. At Medano Beach, you will find all the typical beach activities including jet ski rentals, parasailing, banana boat rides, and snorkeling tours. There are also numerous beach clubs and restaurants lining the shore where you can rent a lounge chair and umbrella for the day, usually with the expectation that you will order food and drinks. The beach scene in Cabo is lively and fun, with vendors walking by offering everything from jewelry to blankets to fresh fruit. Some people love this energy while others find it a bit much, so your mileage may vary. The water temperature in Cabo is generally pleasant, especially during the warmer months, though it can be surprisingly cool during winter months due to Pacific currents. The beaches offer stunning views of the distinctive rock formations that Cabo is famous for, including the iconic arch at Land's End. Many guests combine their beach time with boat tours that take you to see these formations up close, along with opportunities for snorkeling at protected coves where the marine life is abundant. Back at the hotel pool, the atmosphere remains more controlled and relaxed compared to the bustling public beaches. You have the security of your belongings being in a relatively safe environment, easy access to your room if you need anything, and the convenience of not having to pack up and travel somewhere else. For many guests, especially those with young children or those who prefer a more low-key experience, the hotel pool becomes their primary water recreation spot. The pool area typically opens early in the morning and stays open until evening, giving you plenty of time to enjoy it. Some guests start their day with a morning swim before breakfast, while others prefer the afternoon after returning from morning excursions. Evening swims can be particularly pleasant when the air temperature cools down, but the water retains its warmth. The hotel sometimes organizes poolside activities or games, especially during high season, which can include water aerobics, volleyball, or simple social activities that help guests meet each other. These are entirely optional, so if you prefer to just relax undisturbed, you can absolutely do that too. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.